Hi, I'm Chelsea Georgia with Houlihan Lawrence. Welcome to Rye, New York. This modern manor is approximately 9,300 square feet with almost an acre of land. I can't wait to show you inside. You enter this home into a beautiful double-story foyer with a floating glass staircase. There is also beautiful Venetian plaster walls, white oak chevron floors, and this spectacular custom pendant. Bookending the space are floor-to-ceiling steel windows and doors that allow natural light to come inside. But if you find the need for a little bit more privacy, let me show you something cool. Privacy glass. This generously proportioned sunken living room is a great place to entertain and relax. The focal point of the space is the custom fireplace with soapstone brick and a hammered metal surround, and complemented with a white marble mantel. Sitting here, you can easily envision spending a fun evening surrounded by friends and family. And if your guests need a little drink, there's a beautiful custom bar with an onyx countertop. In here is another special architectural feature with coffered beam ceilings. But what's really unique about this space is the floor-to-ceiling steel-framed windows. It affords views of the beautiful grounds and allows natural light to flow in. This home is located on Westchester Country Club's golf course, and the kitchen views take full advantage of the setting. But it's the details in the interior of the space that really set the room apart. Starting with this center island with a marble waterfall countertop and matching backsplash, and the floor-to-ceiling windows in the adjoining breakfast room. All of this cabinetry is bespoke. There's rift white oak and chrome, and the floors are concrete, cut into this wild geometric pattern. This is a perfect place to prepare a spectacular meal or enjoy the views with a cup of coffee. There are 5 bedrooms in this home, and this is the principal bedroom. It features stepped ceilings, silk wallpaper, and floor-to-ceiling marble fireplace, which fills the room with a romantic glow, as does this organically shaped chandelier. There's also a dressing room with a built-in makeup vanity. But the real standout is this ensuite bath. Just taking a look inside, you can see why. Calcutta gold marble heated floors, a curbless shower, and a soaking tub with views to die for. This is the definition of a spa-like bath. But enough talk of the views. Now let me show them to you. Out here is a whole nother world. This deck is over 2,500 square feet and is paved with Chinese granite. There's an outdoor kitchen with built-in barbecue and plenty of space for multiple seating areas. There's also a beautiful linear glass-enclosed fireplace. You can come out here to enjoy a nice meal with friends and family, or simply to catch some sun. This is also a great place to admire the beautiful grounds that feel as though you're looking at a painting. I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of this modern manor with all of the newest amenities, yet timeless design. Thank you for coming along.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?